Today, we are headed to Everett.
This is such a great area.
I know, mid-century houses with the brick. They have some Tudors. I was gonna say that. We're headed to Donna's house. Her husband is already living in their next home, but it was actually Jason who gave us the call. Jason is Donna's son.
Okay.
And he is helping them relocate to Arizona, where they are going to retire.
Nice.
But the thing is, they were already on the market for almost, I want to say like 90 days, and they struggled because they listed right when the market started to drop. So at that point, she said, I'm taking it off the market. And that's when they called us. Oh, is that
It's this one.
Oh,
cool.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 2,800 square foot.
And it's here in North Everett, probably the most sought-after area of Everett.
Yeah. I like this.
Yeah.
This is really cute.
Hi. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jason.
Jason.
Hi.
I'm Donna.
Okay, so this is your home.
This is my home.
Okay,
yes.
great.
Yes.
Beautiful. I mean, what we see so far.
Thank you.
Okay.
Come on in.
Oh,
perfect.
nice.
Oh, beautiful wood floors.
Oh, very nice.
And the fireplace with the built-ins is like so true to this age.
It really is, yeah. It was built in '54.
Now you're selling because you're retiring.
I retired 2 years ago from real estate.
You were in real estate then when you bought this house.
Right. It took me 8 months to find this.
And then listing it, how did you come up with the pricing? Because I saw a couple price drops.
So I decided, okay, well, let's just start right under 900. And then the market starts doing this.
Oh, yeah.
Then the interest rate went up, and then it was like, okay, now we're 50,000. Then we're another 50,000. You can only chase a market so far, and then you have to say, okay, am I going to go lower? Or I'm going to wait.
Yeah.
Yep.
And that's what
Where
reality
you were
is.
at.
Right.
It appraised at $715,000 in its current condition. Just under $900 is not the right price for this home, but it seems like she knew that.
Yeah, and she really came in right at a hard time. Couple months earlier, she would have gotten it.
Yeah.
When we moved here, the first thing we did was we redid all the windows.
Okay. The return on value, huge.
Well, and they're triple glazed,
Yeah.
so you don't have the sun bleaching.
Yeah. Walking in the front door, even walking to this dining
I
area
know.
with the heavy drapery,
Yeah.
I don't notice the windows.
Yeah.
Right.
I wonder how many buyers didn't see that value.
Obviously,
And-
enough of them that they didn't buy here.
Yeah.
So the kitchen has been remodeled.
Ooh.
Killing the grammar chic.
I do have a few questions.
Okay.
Regarding like this situation
Okay,
over
I
here.
was
All right.
wondering.
I did dog rescue.
Okay.
For 5 years. I rehomed about 50 minions
Here through this house?
through this house.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
Donna! What
it was
in the
crazy.
world?
It was crazy.
This is so specific.
Yes, it's very specific.
That I feel like it could be another reason that a buyer walks in and says, oh, they look for a reason to check a house off the list, not for a reason to pick a house. Because
Well, even coming into the kitchen, right, you feel like you're gonna whack into a cabinet.
Yes.
And you definitely, like, it's a one-person type
Yeah.
of environment in here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go see these bedrooms.
All right. So this is the main bedroom in here.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah, this is a really nice size, gorgeous floors.
Yeah, the floors in the bedrooms are probably the best.
So closet, and then is this a bathroom?
No, that's a linen closet.
Linen
Yeah.
closet. So no ensuite bath.
No.
But it looks like
we
it's
share.
right off the
It's
hall.
right there.
Yes.
And it services all 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
Oh, and this was really our first remodel project. What I wanted to do was to maintain the integrity of the house.
Sorry.
I know.
You mean embrace the pink?
No, it's not pink. It's not pink. It's
No,
peach.
I mean, the fact that you have gray and pink towels.
peach.
Peach.
I mean, you have a gray sponge and a pink.
Yes.
So,
yes.
You
Yes.
I appreciate that you have taken what is here and you have built upon
Yes,
it.
yes.
And this is a style in here.
You were being very kind in that bathroom. That was, she should not have embraced that. So before we jump in, we need to take a super close look at the comparable houses in the neighborhood. We need to see how much we can invest, but we also need to know where that sweet spot's gonna be for listing.
You guys really have done so much and we already are kind of pushing the market for this area with this house, but there are some things we could do to still bring in the buyer and solidify that this is the right house for them versus another.
Well, let us go back, do a little bit of research, and go from there.
Okay,
That sounds great.
perfect.
Okay,
Thank you guys.
All right, let's go, kids.
All right,
Gosh,
here we
traveling
go.
with you guys is like traveling with a circus. Are you okay?
Kind of.
Our budget is tight on this property.
And one way to help with a tight budget is keeping labor costs down.
Free volunteers.
It's mandatory volunteering.
Yes.
The goal on demo is to not make more work. We just want to take everything out nice and neat, take out this whole closet and vanity thing. We'll pull the toilet, and then we're going to take down the whole tile surround.
Kyler and Miles are really getting after that bathroom.
They like destroying things.
That's true. Be careful, honey, not too hard.
Just give us a hole.
Give us a hole. Oh, wow. Okay, got it. We'll see how they do on the pickup.
Yeah.
Why is this all on the lawn? We got a dumpster to put this in. Boys, throw everything off the lawn into the dumpster. Into the dumpster.
We also have Molly and Jenna, who are Kyler and Miles' girlfriends. And then we have Nana with us.
Yes.
Nana's got
I
snacks.
have amazing snacks.
Oh.
You need your nourishment.
Thanks,
Kiki.
Nana.
She's like the mascot.
Yeah.
I have snacks.
Good job, Nana.
There's not a ton to be done here, but everything we do has to be strategic.
Yeah.
Taking down the curtains to show the natural light.
Yeah.
Opening up that kitchen. You know, all the decisions we make have to be so intentional because this house has been on the market. These buyers have seen this property.
Yep.
We have to make it look new.
What's up?
This looks really good.
Already, Lyndsay,
It feels-
what a difference.
This house just needed to be cleared out and a few things done to it, and we're gonna sell this hot. This is gonna be our DIY grassroots refresh.
Just back to the basics. I mean, we don't put $100,000 into every home we work on.
No.
We don't have that kind of money, people.
We want this house to stand out in this desirable neighborhood, and transforming the bathroom is where we are putting our money to do that. With new tile on the floor, a new white tub, and subway tile surround.
Leo and his team are making quick work of getting the shingles replaced, which is good because I really want to get this house on the market by next week. And in that old peachy pink bathroom, the new vanity is in place. And right next to it, we're taking advantage of the laundry chute. Our closet contractors are building a custom cabinet with an open bottom inside. Oh my gosh, that looks comfy.
I love it. Today's staging day, but that doesn't mean this project's wrapped up quite yet. This fireplace is already looking kind of dingy with the smoke stains and stuff. We could maybe do a fresh coat of paint.
Lyndsay picked a gray-green to give the fireplace a pop of color. Meanwhile, Owen is building a new breakfast bar in the kitchen. In terms of design, we've stayed true to the era of this house with all of the improvements we've made. And we're decorating it the same way, with the retro pieces that play off of the house's age, as well as colorful and inviting touches that just might make a buyer want to make this their home. I'm really excited.
Are you ready?
Yes. I gotta tell you, I'm a little more nervous being that she's an agent.
Oh, interesting. I'm not.
Because they couldn't sell it before.
We're about to prove we know how to do this.
I know. It's
We're
just
good at our jobs.
Big day, Mom.
It is. It's a huge day. It really is a huge day. I'm anxious to see what they did with it.
This is them.
Is it? Oh, good.
There they are. I see them.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, hello.
Are you guys excited?
So excited.
Super excited.
Look at how gorgeous this new roof is.
I know,
Wow,
isn't it?
it looks
amazing?
great.
So nice.
It
looks amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go inside.
Let's go take a look.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at the difference.
This looks amazing.
This is, oh wow, look at
Oh.
this fireplace. It's a color.
This looks awesome.
Wow.
It just feels so open coming in too. Like you're not hitting that couch right away.
Yep. But we still have
Yes.
2 large couches.
I know, that's amazing.
The windows look great too.
Yeah.
Like, amazing. Like I see the full window.
Yep.
It feels lighter. This is awesome.
So, Donna, the wallpaper, it's a retro wallpaper.
I love it.
We
put
love your
back
built-ins.
against that. Yeah,
Yes.
that looks so cool.
We are not like trying to hide the fact that it is an older home. And you buy these older homes because they are.
They have uniqueness.
Yes, there's so much character to them.
Yeah.
So we want to embrace that, but also make it feel very today's kind of trend and style. And
It really looks amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this dining room. I
Yes.
mean, this dining
Wow.
room has always felt small to me.
Yeah.
And taking that China hutch out of there and the buffet, opening that all up.
This window is something that Lyndsay and I are obsessed with.
Yeah.
So we just didn't want to block that window at
No,
all, getting rid of
totally
those
makes
drapes.
sense. I just can't believe how big it feels. I know.
And bright. It feels bright,
Yeah.
fresh,
Bigger.
nice, clean.
So we'll go down the hall to
Okay.
our bathroom and bedrooms.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Gorgeous.
Wow.
This looks so nice.
Oh, I love
gosh.
this.
when I was styling this room, I felt like the bed needed to go on this wall. I needed that extra room
Yeah.
for like the little
Yeah.
seating space. And I wanted to like show that next buyer how much extra space this
You
room
really
actually has.
feel like it takes it to a different like viewpoint.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check out. Well, you know what? I'm gonna torture you. Let's go see the other bedrooms and then we'll look at your bathroom. I know, I'm a meanie. Let's go.
She is.
We'll see that office.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. This is fun.
Great.
And I don't feel like this is a small room anymore. Like
No, it
we were
doesn't.
trying really hard to be very purposeful with the pieces we put in so that you could see it as I could
Usable
use
room.
for something. Yeah. Do you guys want to see the bathroom?
Yes.
And all that pink.
Peach.
Peach. We'll see if it's still there.
Okay.
Although I loved Grandma Chic, it's
No
now
more
gone.
grandma chic. Yeah, thank goodness.
Okay, go ahead.
See it.
Here it
Let's see the
is.
bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Where
gosh.
did it go? This is great.
Look at
Oh,
this.
this is great. What a great shower now.
This bathroom used to have a lot of gray and peach. Also, much of the space was dominated by the built-in vanity. We took that out and really made that space feel both bigger and newer. So kind of going for that 60s, 70s vibe in here, you know, really trying to take the character of the house and lean into it.
It's got a lot of character.
It does.
It's great. I love the flooring. The flooring is great.
Yes.
So still tons of storage in the vanity.
The laundry chute that also has this additional storage as well.
That's
So
great.
hopefully didn't lose any storage between the vanity and the laundry chute.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm really excited to show you your kitchen.
Let's take a look.
All right.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
And you
it's
have a
on
little
bar,
breakfast
my
area.
breakfast bar.
We made this little breakfast bar small because I wanted this door to be able to open and, you know, just enough to be able to have your coffee in the morning, watch the kids if they're playing in the backyard.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
And that cabinet's gone, so now you have so much more room.
I love this counter depth refrigerator.
Owen had to shorten this, shorten the drawers, all of that, so that we could not have it protruding out in front of that counter.
Yeah, we were able to use all my cabinets, all my counters.
Yeah, it was just paint, appliances, and a few little small things made it so it was a nice, clean, anybody could see themselves in this kitchen.
And it flows right through like that dining space, right in here. You feel like it's all connected now in the right ways. Now it becomes a space you want to be in, even if you're not cooking.
I absolutely
Terrific.
love it. So amazing. This is so beautiful. I don't think I could have done this. I mean, I don't have that design thumb that you guys have.
So inviting.
And it's so much bigger, even though it's not.
I can see this house actually selling now.
Yes.
Which is like the big point of this whole thing.
100%. When we first started speaking, selling the home, at that moment, we were looking at around $715,000. Our total investment was gonna be $20,000, and our list price was $750,000.
Right.
We ended up investing $30,000 because there was an extra $10,000 in the roof. The positive is we feel confident now listing the home at $775,000. So by putting on that roof, we were able to bring the price up by $25,000.
So awesome. That is great.
Yes, so it was definitely the right move.
Yeah. Plus, we get to get it on the market today with an
Awesome.
open house.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's gonna show so well.
We are so excited.
Yay.
Can't wait.
I know, I
Can't wait.
can't
Thank you,
either.
thank you so much.
So let's get this puppy live.
Let's do it.
Okay?
Aw, look at how cute they are. We got people.
Yay! Hi, guys.
Hi.
Come on in.
This is beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, guys.
It's a nice, cute little living area in the front here.
Yes.
I love that the huge window in the front, so much natural light.
Isn't that nice? What do you guys think of the living space? Big enough?
It is perfect because we have kids too.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Awesome.
Let's go check out that kitchen.
oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Yay.
So cute.
Beautiful.
Good.
Really beautiful.
Little like breakfast bar.
I love that. You know, like in the mornings in the summertime when it's nice out, kids can go out the door, they can, you know, watch them out there. That's nice. I think the kitchen is like the major selling point. Yeah. I'm sold.
I think you guys did a really good job updating everything and keeping the character of the house, which I think you really grasped onto and held on to.
It's got a lot of things that he's looking for.
Ooh, I like that.
I loved it.
Yeah?
I loved it.
Well, it's so nice to meet you guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
You know the house that we all worked on? We listed that at $775,000. And we ended up getting an offer at $780,000.
Awesome.
I know.
That's great.
So excited. We actually invested $30,000, which is a really small investment for us.
But we did a ton with that.
Once we got back our investment, we still had $35,000 in profit to split.
Meaning the homeowner got $17,500 extra than what they were ever expecting, and we made some money on our investment.